What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Wade Gretzky Show. If you're new here, my name is Alfred Romero, and this week I'm going to be unboxing some SpaceX merch. It feels good to finally be back in front of the camera. If you've been keeping up with the channel, my girlfriend and I had just went on a cross-country road trip. I'll leave the link to that video here, I think.
What's going on? Editor Alfred here. I originally thought that I was going to get that video out first, but I did not, and I don't want to rush it, so it should be coming out next week. And yeah, in the meantime, just hold on.
Nonetheless, though, these packages have been sitting here for the last 2-3 weeks, and I actually kind of forgot what I ordered. I know the big thing here was the F9 desktop model, and I ordered that right before they launched the Dragon Crew into the International Space Station, which was a very huge thing. Anybody that's looking for more information, I'll definitely leave that in the description below. Nonetheless, though, let's jump right into this unboxing. So before we start, just to go over briefly what I have, I ordered a SpaceX decal pack as well as a sweater and the F9 desktop model. Let's see what I got. I probably shouldn't be using a knife to cut all this shit. A box within another box. That's awkward. That's awkward. I believe these are the decal sticker pack, if I'm correct. Yep. Nice. And that's exactly what it is. I didn't realize that these would be so large, but yeah, nonetheless, pretty cool. And yeah, basically these are it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different decals. The Falcon Heavy sticker, as well as the F9 Falcon sticker as well. The Dragon, the small SpaceX logo, as well as the bigger SpaceX logo. Not too sure what I'll put these larger ones on, but it's good to have. The Dragon one, as well as the F9 and FH larger prints as well. Moving on. Cool. That was super tight. All right, next we have the SpaceX hoodie. Something I was very excited for. And yeah, wow, this is really nice. They also have their own label sewn in as well. I want to say it's like an independent hoodie, the independent brand, just because you could kind of tell with like the drawstrings. Nonetheless, though, independent is my favorite hoodies. That's what the Wade Gretzky hoodies are printed on. One color, yep, white, SpaceX, simple, super plain, nonetheless, super tight. And again, here, front left chest, SpaceX, and yeah. Whew. Ooh, I'm stoked on this one. Whew. And finally, last but not least, the F9 Falcon rocket. Let's see this bad boy. I hope I don't cut anything. Yeet. Ooh. So it's pretty bubble wrap protected here. Fold this up. SpaceX F9 desktop model. I forgot what it said on the internet, but I think it's something like 30 inches. We shall see. But now that I have it, oh my gosh. This is way bigger than what I thought it was. Jesus. Oh shit. Cool. Oh my god. I thought this thing was gonna be this big so I can put it on this table. Oh my god. Yikes. Ave, come here. Look how fucking big this thing is. I thought this thing was like I, I don't know. I haven't figured that out yet. I thought I was gonna put it here on this table. I guess we'll see how skinny. All right. So before I open it, we have the Falcon 9 desktop display model stand, over 80 centimeters tall, 32 inches, includes both Dragon 2 spacecraft and payload. Fairing, fully assembled, no painting required. Rugged modeled plastic, sturdy display stand, sets up in seconds. Cool. And then for the back here, can you see, is this even in frame? I don't even know. Falcon 9 SpaceX developed in Falcon 9 rockets, transport satellites, and Dragon spacecraft into orbit. As the first launch vehicle completes developed in the 21st century, the Falcon family was designed from the start for maximum reliability. Again, payload in the first half. We have second stage, inner stage, first stage, as well as landing legs. And again, the Falcon 9 is a huge deal just because it took Americans into the International Space Station, which we have not been able to do for the last couple of years. We've been relying on Russia to get us there. And so it'll dramatically reduce the cost by going through SpaceX to get Americans into the International Space Station. And if needed, we can get other people from other countries into the space station. So first time humans have been on this thing. Nice. Setup, open the top of the box, slide out the storage tray, and remove the rocket and stand pieces. Slide the tower portion of the display stand into the circular base section until they lock. Okay, that's a lot of information. Let's just see what it... Yeah, let's jump into this thing. Jesus. Okay. I have no idea where I'm gonna put this thing. This is so unnecessary. This thing is crazy. Oh my god. This is nuts. Jeez. And yeah, here you have it. The F9 rocket. Oh, and a really big thing I forgot to mention was the day of the Americans landed in the International Space Station that the F9 rocket got them to, I bought this. However, the day after, they had taken this off the website. So I don't know if I should be opening this right now, but it's too sick not to open. Come on now. This thing is so ridiculous. Man, I do not even know what to do with this. Sweet, so basically we have the station here. This should just slide, yep, right in. And then this is going to go on top, I'm assuming. Interesting. I guess it doesn't matter. Oh, it does. Okay. Cool. Oh, that's super sick. Okay. Let's get this up and then we'll talk about it. Oh, it's magnetic? Oh, whoa. Are you kidding me? What the oh, yo, this is well worth the money. Wow, this is well worth it. Let me switch lenses very quickly. Alrighty. And we're back. This thing is freaking nuts. Okay, so something that there's a couple things that I'm super stoked about. One, I did not know that it came with the Dragon attachment. This is the capsule where the astronauts travel in. I did not think that was going to be a part of this. Now this is just the capsule, I think, I could be wrong, don't quote me on this, is if they're just transporting supplies. Someone please definitely comment down below if you know better than I do. Anyways, the second thing that I'm super stoked on is the fact that this thing is magnetic. This thing just literally pops right off and then just pops right back on. This thing is crazy. This thing is so nuts. Oh my god. It even has like all the little branding of the dragon. Wow. This thing is incredible. It's so dumb, but it's just like a piece of plastic. I had no idea this was gonna be this big. I have no idea what I'm doing with this either. I don't know if that was supposed to happen, but yeah, that probably was not supposed to happen. I probably shouldn't have done that. Oh, thank God, it just like snaps right back on. Okay, cool. I am not touching that again. It says here, attach either the Dragon 2 spacecraft or the payload adapter. Oh, so yeah, this is just payload adapter. Gotcha. Right to the top of the Falcon 9 rocket. You can change them later as you wish. Elon, if you're watching this, sorry, I feel like I'm really like just messing it up here. Oh, there we go. Okay, I was just being too gentle with it. Gotcha. You definitely can't lift out the lander. So let's snap it back on. Oh, Jesus. This magnet is so powerful, like I'm not even joking. This is, you're seeing it here. Sweet. So I definitely don't want the payload capsule, but it's definitely cool seeing it. We'll just have the Dragon, what is it called? The Dragon 2 spacecraft. This thing is next level. I'm pretty speechless. I don't even know what to say. Other notable things are that, yeah, it is just all plastic, and that's perfectly fine because it looks extremely great. The decals on it feel very nice. I actually don't think that they might be decals. I think this actually might be painted onto the plastic. What more could you ask for? Man, this thing is sick. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. I know I had a blast unboxing this F9 SpaceX model. It's definitely, I wouldn't say this is a desktop model. I would say this is more of a dresser or a table model. I don't see, I mean, maybe you could definitely put it on your desktop for next to a computer, but it kind of seems a little bit excessive, but nonetheless super cool, and it's definitely a talking piece when people come over. But yeah, again, I think the biggest thing here was that the F9 Falcon is not being sold on the website anymore. For that, it kind of feels super special because I got it the day before they stopped selling it, and again, they stopped selling it right after they launched the Americans to the International Space Station. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new here, my name is Alfred Amaro once again, and I hope you can consider subscribing for more good quality content like this. And I will see you guys next week. Peace.